I swear I'm not screwing your wife!
Oh shit, I got some more. Hey Anthony, you.
Whoa!
God damn it! Oh, Jesus Christ, Anthony!
What do you want?
You zip up first.
Oh yeah.
Did you read the article?
What article?
Apparently there's a murderer on the loose. In the article it says he's got a mask, wears all black. He's been slicing a lot of people's necks. I think we should get ready, prepared. Lock the windows, doors.
I'm not afraid of no killer. Kick his ass a bit.
Yeah, well, let's go downstairs. I have some really sweet porn to show you. Come on, man.
Alright! I like porn.
So this is like the coolest website I've ever seen. It's called spankyourmom.com. I'm serious, this is the hottest shit I have ever seen, man. Okay, so I was looking at it for a few times, but you know, I get tired of the same shit every now and then. But, you know, I thought you might enjoy it now. And I was like, yeah, this is a pretty sweet... Anthony, what the hell are you doing?
What's that?
What the hell do you mean, what is that?
What is that?
What the hell?
My pizza.
Come on, let's go let him in.
Why's he dressed like that? Are you Mr. Pizza?
What do you want?
Oh,
Should we do now? Maybe we should go upstairs.
alright.
Did you lock all the doors?
Yeah.
Did you lock the front door?
I thought you were gonna do it.
I thought you were gonna do it. Shit.
Speaking of shit, I gotta go.
Number 1 or number 2?
Number 2?
Go quickly.
Alright.
I'll be right back. So much for him.
Oh shit, Mr. called down on us. Ah! You stabbed! Ah, the foot! Ah!
ואהבת את אדוני אלוהיך ובכל נפשך ובכל מאודיך, והיו הדברים האלה ובכל נפשך ובכל מאודיך. Jesus save me.